Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, and for those who don't know me, I'm Romica Jones. I'm an illustrator and designer based in Manchester, and I design, illustrate and write children's books, and I'm also a full-time freelance junior compositor at an animation studio in Altrincham near Manchester. And I'll tell you more about this in another video, but today's video is an unboxing of FabFitFun. It's a lifestyle subscription box from the US, and it finally ships to the UK. I don't know when they started shipping to the UK because when I first heard about them, I really wanted this box so badly, but they only shipped to the US and I think Canada. And I emailed support and they said, oh, we'll notify you when it's available. I never received that email as far as I can tell, but I now saw they are available after I checked again. I'm so happy. I've heard so many good things. I watched so many reviews about this box and so many unboxings, and now I can do my own. So I will give you a link to this subscription box, and I think you get a 20 or 10% discount. I'll check it and I'll write it in the description and in the comments on how you can get this. And I would really appreciate if you could consider buying through this link so I can get a small commission through this, which really supports the channel and my small family. And yeah, I will just jump straight into it because I have to go to work and it's a time. I can only do this in the morning now when there's light. Okay, good. Well, that's how it arrived. It's quite sturdy, nice packaging. So they shipped to the UK. Now, I'll double check how long it took, but I feel like maybe it's been a week or 10 days. I could quickly check. Let me check. I just double checked. So I bought it on the 7th of April and it arrived, well, it shipped on the 11th and it arrived yesterday on the 16th. So it was like, yeah, it's about 10 days, 9 days, something like that. And yeah, basically it didn't take very long to arrive. And that's awesome. I didn't expect it to ship so quickly. So very sturdy box, like I said. I hope this is somehow in focus. So this is the FabFitFun spring box. It's a seasonal box. This means every season, so quarterly. Is that correct? Yeah, and this is the editor's box. But anyway, I will now open this. It looks like very sturdy. And if you're new to this channel as well, you know the airplanes are coming, right? I have no time to stop now. Sorry. Eventually I will have my own studio. And if you buy this box through my link, you can support me getting this done. Okay, so that's how it looks like inside. Beautiful packaging. I think they always hire someone else to design it, I think, but I'm not 100% sure. And yeah, it's very beautiful. And there's a magazine which I think describes everything that is in this box. Like I said, with the link I give you, you can get a box at a discount. And yeah, I think, I don't know how much I paid, but again, I will write this in the description. But I think, was it like $47, something around $50-ish, and then the value of it is around $100, so you get double the value. So these are really high quality products. And what I like about this box, from what I could see, is that you know, I feel like in the UK, when I did my research, I might be wrong and I might have missed things, but there's a lot of makeup subscription boxes that I found. I couldn't really find an equivalent to this box, but if I'm wrong, please point me to new alternatives, because obviously then I could save shipping, but this box is really what I want. I want some beauty products, but I want mostly wellness products, because there's only so much makeup I want to wear or own. And wellness products are really nice because you use them and then you can try something else and you can discover new products. Okay, so a note from us. So this is another thing. Oh, I think this is, oh, these are the products. At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. We handpicked each item with you in mind. filling this box with our top-rated brands, products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you will love it as much as we do. Kiss, kiss, kiss. FabFitFun. Okay, so this is the spring box. And then there's a gift card from HelloFresh. It's in dollars, which is a bit of a shame. I don't know if it works in the UK, because I would really like to try HelloFresh, which is a food subscription box. And, oh nice. Okay, and I can get another discount code. Okay, so this is discount coupon, but anyway, I will link you to the discount link if you want to support me. Okay, so I'm sorry, I just ripped this up, but anyway, that's how it looks. It's protected by tissue paper and a nice FabFitFun branded hashtag. I think I should probably really go very soon. Okay, so how this works, I mean, as you can expect, not everyone fits every shade of color, or every makeup foundation, or every skin type is different. So they do let you customize when you order a few of the items, and a few are a surprise, and that's the whole nice thing about it. I think when I first saw a beauty subscription box, it was in America, when I visited my American relatives. So, and I always thought, oh, one day I will have my own subscription box. I don't know. It's almost like you gift yourself, which is, it's nice every now and then. Okay, so first thing, it's beautiful. Okay, so first thing is, this looks like a really, really pretty, I love this color. It's Yumi Kim, and I think it's what do you think? I think this looks like a makeup bag. So let me just quickly unwrap this. This is how it looks like. Sorry, I look at the screen more than at the camera. I need to practice again. I've not filmed in ages, as you might know. So this looks like a really high quality product. Excuse me if it's not in focus, by the way. Like I said, I have to do this really quickly. It looks very nice and sturdy. I love the gold plated zippers. That's how it looks like inside. Very nice and sturdy. Tissue paper. Protected. Okay, so this is actually awesome, because I am going to travel very soon to London to meet my brother and my sister-in-law for a short holiday in end of May, and then I will also go to Croatia with my family in Austria. Austrian family. First we go to Austria and drive to Croatia, and that's how we will do it. And yeah, I like this. This is looks like a really nice size. It has like a typical handle. I don't know. I'm sure these bags have a name, but I don't know how they're called actually. It's just a nice toiletry bag. I really like this. Okay, I need to go. And then this is nail and cuticle serum, 100% natural by, what is it called? Strengthening. Okay. Oh, is this the brand? I don't know this brand yet, but this is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks nice. And yeah, apply 1 to 2 drops on nails and cuticles daily. Reapply as needed. That looks nice. Ah yeah, Way of Will. So that's the made in Canada. Good. So that's quite nice. I don't. Yeah. Saying this, I just wanted to say I have no dry cuticles. I'm like, oh, actually I do. Okay. Well, maybe too much information, but so I guess I do need this. And what is this? Oh, ceramic tray. Okay. So this is, I love all the colors. As Summer and Rose, a place for everything. So this is apparently a ceramic tray. So this looks okay. My husband will be happy. It will be such a big mess when he comes home. Okay, yeah, this is nice. So this is, you can use this. It's like a nice tray. It's kind of like rose gold accents and blush pink, I would say. It's quite nice. So I can imagine putting like jewelry in here, or maybe a soap. I'm sure I find some sort of nice use for this. I really like shiny things. So, okay, now this is the first, this is the second beauty product. So this is Ahava. So you can tell I'm not a beauty blogger, I just like nice things. So this is a Leave-On Dead Sea Mud Dermud Intensive Foot Cream. Nice, that's perfect. And for dry and sensitive skin. Oh, nice. So Leave-On Dead Sea Mud Foot Cream. And it's vegan, paraben-free, and allergy tested. Nice. Calming mud-rich intensive foot cream deeply nourishes and treats dry, rough, and cracked soles. Massage into feet until fully absorbed. That sounds nice. Okay. Some of them, I don't actually remember everything I customized, but next one is another. Oh, this is perfect. I really wanted an eye cream. So this is Murad Hydrator Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. Developed by Dr. Murad. Okay, and established 1989. Oh, a year after I was born. Good. So this is an ultra nourishing eye cream. Firms, brightens, and targets signs of aging. I always used to make fun of beauty commercials when there was like a 30-something-year-old, and like it's like, oh, but they don't even have any wrinkles. This is all just fake. And I'm like, you know what? I'm 30 now, and yes, you do get wrinkles when you're 30. Especially if you don't take such good care. So this is, I think, anyway, probably sun exposure and we just age. But that's nice. 3 more things left. So this is the next one. So actually I have to say there's a lot of beauty products in this one, which I don't mind. It's quite nice. So this is Lavido, or Ialvido, I think it's an L. Inspired by nature. This is an aromatic body lotion. Mandarin, orange, and bergamot. Ooh, yes. This is for all skin types. Dermatologically tested. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. It's nice because the size is good. It means like by the next time this other one arrives, I probably will have used this. And I love anything with mandarin orange. So I'm looking forward to using this. The next one. This is Tarte Drink of H2O. Okay. Hydrating boost hydratant. Okay. This is a full-size product, 50 milliliters. So, hey tartlet, your skin looks thirsty. Treat yourself to this tall drink of H2O formulated with essential oils, hyaluronic acid, and our proprietary rainforest of the sea antioxidant complex. Cooling water gel texture never feels greasy, and it leaves your skin looking hydrated, subtle, and ready to take on everyday aggressions. Drink up. Nice, nice. And this is also cruelty free. And that's how it looks like. Nice packaging. Yep, that's cool. And last but not least, so this is something I could actually customize. This is I think I remember it's a sports bag, which is cool because I now go to the gym. I finally have a gym membership for the first time in my whole life. And I do go swimming and relax my shoulders from sitting. My job is purely desk-based. And I sit in front of my graphics tablet and the screen, and that's pretty much all I do for several hours, from 9:30 till 6. So yeah, with an hour break. So it's really great to go to the gym. I really enjoy it, and yeah. So this is a sports bag. It's actually really, I didn't know what. So this is 11 by Venus Williams, I think. Yeah. And this is really cool. Look at this. I mean, is this like how it rough stuff because my sports bag takes so much space, and I use NYX, my husband's at the moment. How cool is this? Okay, and how does this work? This is like, wow. Okay, and then oh man, so this is the actual outer bag. So I zip this closed now. And this is a nice, I don't know, the size is like kind of like that. I need to, sorry. Okay, I need to go. I see this all the time. But this looks really spacious, I have to say, considering what small size it came from in. Main zipper. So how big it is. Nice. Really nice. Awesome. So. And that was it. So a lot of nice products. I'm really happy with the box. I'm looking forward to trying all of these and testing them. I think my favorite for now is this. And if now I go to the, where is it? So this is about customization. So the Yumi Kim hanging train case, hanging train, that's what it is 50, retails for $58. So actually I already, basically that's how much I paid for the whole box, I think, or even a bit less. And then I chose, okay, so this is what I chose. I customized renewing eye cream, which retails for $82. So you can see the price of that. Then there was different options, but I chose, funny enough, I chose the cheapest one. I chose 11 by Venus Williams foldable gym bag. And then there was another customization, and it's Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, so that was retailed for $39. And then there was another customization, which was the foot cream, which retails for $29. Then the ceramic dish, Celine trinket dish, was retails for $22. And the cuticle cream retails for $24, and the body lotion Lavido with the mandarin smell retails for $19. So yeah. Good. Nice. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And like I said, if you would like to try this box, please use my link that I will provide in the description below. It will really help me out and my family to do this, continue making videos, and to maybe buy more cool products, especially art related products. This channel is mostly a channel for illustration, but I also like to do lifestyle and health related videos because I think they're all relevant to being an illustrator and a creative person and a human being. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time, and please like and share this video if you're interested, and if you like if you like it, and subscribe and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications when a new video comes up, because I don't know how regularly I can make these videos. Like I said, I'm working full-time now, and I'm going to work now. So but anyway, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.